Hello. This video is for Mineralocity users seeking to get a better understanding of the 2020 estimated surplus/deficit layer. This layer was generated using Burgex's proprietary market analysis methodologies applied across the US for every half mile. By incorporating the population within a given market region calculated every half mile, tied to regional per capitas for crushed stone aggregate, we've been able to determine an estimated amount of aggregate tonnage demand at a market scale for every half mile. We then incorporate the regional producers and their estimated production tonnages with predicted distribution influence to determine how much is likely being supplied to those markets. The resulting layer shows whether or not, at a specific point, that the crushed stone aggregate market at that point is predicted to be in a surplus or deficit. Regions in the dark to light green teal reflect regions where there's likely an oversaturation of production and aren't favorable for new production due to current production from producers and the lacking population presence. The regions that are orange to red reflect regions where there's an estimated deficit given the calculated demand of tons of the market region compared to the surrounding producers with their estimated production and predicted distribution influence. Let's utilize this market region to help you better understand and how to interpret this layer. Let's say that you're looking to start a quarry operation on the eastern side of Pueblo, and you're looking to do one within this color range here. Excluding all other factors, we just care about this market supply and the market demand for this demonstration. Essentially, an analysis was done that says at this given point, there is this predetermined market region determined for this specific point, and as a result, we can pull the population of that market region and times it by the regional per capita, which results in the amount of tonnage needed for the given market, for that given point. We then look at the producers surrounding the market region, which is predictably these producers here, and based off of their given proximities to that said market region and their distribution influence, what is their likely supply to that given market? As a result, we're able to take one minus the other, which then results in a surplus or deficit value for that given market. For this specific point and this color range, the way to interpret it is that there is 1 million to 1.8 million tons of crushed stone aggregate deficit for this given market. Essentially, there's that much tonnage that is either still needed or is having to be extensively shipped in to satisfy market needs of this given market. Why is this still a good spot then if they're having to ship in extensively? Is that if you were to produce a crushed stone operation here, you would likely be able to still satisfy that market need given the favorable proximities you have to this given market.